See those two vets, we got that 67 and a 62 probably in back. What's nice about that vet is it's got an LS9 in it, it's got a supercharger on it. All kinds of modifications to it. Hard to shift, the clutch doesn't push right, there's a ton of stuff that just needs a lot of love on it. We'll get it fixed for the guy. What's up with us getting other people to work lately? The good news is that we can do it right. The bad news is that people shouldn't do it wrong the first time. That sucks. Who wants to pay for something twice? Got a lot of cars coming in, we got a lot of stuff going out. Whew, kind of busy, you know, which is a good thing. I wish I could go to the bar.
I'm taking what they're giving 'cause I'm working for a living.